Welcome back at MX5 Info. I am a member of a group called the MX5 Squad that consists of more than 2,000 MX5 owners in the Netherlands and Belgium. Members of the group plot a route in their region for others to enjoy during an event on the weekend. This time we had around 90 cars attending. Minutes after arriving at the event, another car parked next to mine and the opening door hit my car and caused some damage. There was no discussion about what had happened. We all expected that a paintless dent repair would be feasible and exchanged our contact details. It was a lovely sunny day and we all enjoyed the beautiful route. After the weekend, I scheduled an appointment to get the damage sorted. In this video you will see the actual repair, and as a bonus also another small dent was fixed. I always enjoy watching these processes and I hope you do as well. Many thanks to Rico at DSH Repair for doing a fantastic job. I'm delighted he managed to repair this without the need for new paint. In the meantime, the owner of the other car has already paid all expenses. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more information about our favorite roadster. Thank you for watching MX5 Info, and until next time.